Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to convert this vertical table into horizontal table. This we have to do with two ways, with helper column and without helper column. How do we perform this task? With helper column and without helper column. The task seems very interesting and but how to do that? So if you look at this data, we have this vertical table. So when you present this data to the team, to the client, you can't present in vertical mode. In horizontal, you can, show more data. So this we have to do with helper column, but here you are not allowed to create any extra column. But how to do that? Let's find out today. So to perform this vertical into horizontal, how we can perform the task. So let me insert one column as we are allowed to create one helper column. Let me write helper one. Okay, helper one. Now I have to find out the expandable range. This is actually my range. Okay, and you can see that I have to lock this by pressing F4. And then I'm searching Amit occurrence into this data. So Amit occurrence, it is telling me 3. Do you think it is correct? Amit is 3, and you can see that Amit is 3 again. No, it's not working actually. It's not good. So how to do that? Expandable range. So we can do again count if. Maybe I can do that way, and then I search this A2. I can lock by pressing F4, and there you can see. If you look at the data, Amit is 1, and second Amit is 2, and third Amit is 3. And similarly, you can see Jay is 1, and again Jay is 2, and so on. So data is coming like that. Now, guys, how to convert this? Now, let me concatenate this to this data so that you can understand this better. And there also we have to create like that. So now I am creating unique value or unique lookup value. This ampersand, I can use a columns function, which actually helps me to increase the, uh, incremental value so that I can see Amit 1, Amit 2, and Amit 3, and you can press F2. And there you can see the data is coming correct, but E column have to be locked by pressing F4 thrice. E column is locked, and this is absolutely perfect. If you see that I'm getting Amit 1, Amit 2, Akash 1, Akash 2, and so on. If you see, this is how I created the data. Now I don't need that. I need only one value, so which will be called my lookup value. So I can use my VLOOKUP function. This is my lookup value, and that I'm searching over there. You can press F4 and comma 2 comma 0. So this way you can create your table in horizontal manner. As you can see, the formula has some error also because there is no value because Akash has enrolled for two trainings, Excel and PowerPoint. So how you can surpass this error? How you can hide this error? Simply you can use generic formula if error, and then error you can replace with maybe some keyword you can mention not enrolled. So maybe go again there. You can mention here not enrolled. So here you can see that if you select this control R, control D, so this is how the data will look like. And you can leave this blank also so that it is easily understandable that is not enrolled. So simply select the data, control R, control D. So this is how the data will look like. I hope you found this useful, and this is called expandable range. Now, let me go to the second example. I got this data. I have to replicate the similar result over there, but without helper column. So here we have to build that logic, and logic is bit interesting, bit complicated. But here, let me tell you, equal to whether these people, you can press F4 equal to this or not, you have to lock the column. And after you do that, you can simply see that that will tell you, you know, true and false, F9. So true and false means it will get you 1 and 0. So simply you can convert that into 1 and 0 by using double minus. So Boolean value you can convert into 1 and 0 by using double minus. So as you know that simple mathematics rule, if you divide any number by 0, that throws an error. If you divide any number by 0, you will see that it is getting us error. So over here, I can see some errors also there. So I can use that logic, this is my denominator. So what is my numerator? You can use row function and you can create the row. And then you can press F4 minus 1 divide by this. And there you can see some errors also have been generated. And this has become my one array so that you can enclose this in a proper bracket, and you can control C and you can press F9. See that errors are coming. Awesome. So you know what is happening. If you press equal to aggregate, and inside aggregate you can use actually the function called small, and then you can ignore error values and then control V, the formula which we copied. After this, you can use k, that means first least value, and again you can use columns function, and you can start maybe from this to this. That will tell you one value, d1 through d1, one column. If you increase that, so this is expandable, d1 through, then e1, and then f1, and so on. So result will come correctly. Now this is my minimum value which I am getting here, absolutely correct. So after I receive that value, I can use that inside index function, and then this is what I need, that you can press F4 comma this, and the result is coming absolutely correct. Simply control R, control D. That's all guys. And you can use here if error function to replace the error with blank. Here you can see the answer is coming. Simply control R, control D. Yes, so this is absolutely matching. PowerPoint, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Excel. PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Excel. Last में Word, absolutely. Triple time Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Excel, Word. PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Excel, Word. Everything is matching, guys. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.